Hi, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. I just finished a session with Martina, who said I could use her name, and she said I could tell you about it. She was telling me how she felt like she would get triggered into a level of rage and anger that was totally not her, and felt like, where is this coming from? She felt like she was almost being controlled by something else. So, well, one of the things that happened was she went to her dentist and she had something in her mouth that they were constructing for her, and it was making it so she'd had a few nights of really not good sleep because it hurt. And then the dental assistant came in, and Martina was thinking, okay, I'm going to be done with this now. Shoo. And the assistant said, oh, well, you're going to have to wear this another couple of months. And Martina was like, just blasted this girl and then apologized. She's like, oh, I'm sorry. But she said, that's the kind of thing that's been happening. Even if she hits too many red lights, and she'll think, I live in a city, this happens. But still, she just feel this rage get triggered and just come out, boom. So we did some TAT about whatever it was that was there, which just, she said, doesn't feel like me. And when we were done, her cat came over and boom, jumped on her lap. And she said, my cats haven't been sleeping with me the last couple nights. And she said, this is so weird. I've been wondering what's going on. So she said, now my cat just can't get enough of me. So I'm seeing this cat tail going up and back as we're doing the rest of our session. And then as we're going along, my computer ran out of juice. I didn't have it plugged in properly, like the charging cord was tipped, and I went, oh geez. So 2 minutes later, I was back with Martina, and she said, this has been a perfect test, because that's exactly the kind of thing that if that would have happened before our session, I would have just lost it. So I'm encouraging you to try TAT for whenever you feel like this just isn't me. There's something going on that just isn't me. So yeah, it's possible for you. It happened for her just in a half-hour session. So it's possible for you to do for yourself, just following along with the steps of TAT. There you go. I hope this helps you out and you feel more and more like yourself all the time in case something like this is going on. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.